This is just a homemade seasoning blend mix. Water. I'm gonna let this very gently simmer while I start the tortillas. If you use tongs and not your fingertips, you're a pussy. I'm sorry, Mission Brand who? And that's how you make a tortilla. This is a cilantro lime jalapeno sauce that I made to dip. This is what they turned out like with the cilantro lime jalapeno dipping sauce.